Okay, this time I will show you kung paano maglagay ng text sa text frame that will fit the text frame doon sa text. Kasi for instance, when we click a text in InDesign, we wanted to put a text content, for example, Greek brown fox comes over the head of the lazy dog. And then sometimes we will be creating other text frame that will overlap to this text frame. For example, I duplicated it. So when you click this text frame, it overlaps to that other text frame. And sometimes you don't want the text frame to be larger than our text content. So what are we going to do is that we will fit the text frame dun sa content. So all you have to do is to go to Object, and go to Fitting, and click Fit Frame to Content. So there. So as you can see, the text frame is already eksakto doon sa text content ninyo sa inyong page. Hope you learned something.